Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property is extensive and impressive, sitting on almost a quarter acre of land and boasting 10 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms. Downstairs, the beautiful high ceilings and dual aspect rooms allow plenty of natural light to fill the space. The dining room comfortably accommodates a large table and a small sofa. The kitchen has a charming country feel, with lots of wooden cupboards and granite countertops. Upstairs, the master bedroom features built-in closets with ample storage. The bathrooms are decorated to a high standard, with his and her sinks, large walk-in showers, and jacuzzi-style baths. The main house has 4 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. The remaining bedrooms are in 3 by 2 bedroom self-contained flats with 1 bathroom each. This could make a fantastic rental opportunity. Or alternatively, separate units which allow family members to live independently. Located at Hibiscus Gardens, just a few minutes drive from Mandeville, this property offers easy access to all essential amenities, including banks, restaurants, plazas, and supermarkets. Opportunities to generate rental income and have a comfortable family home are relatively rare. Don't miss this opportunity. Call today to arrange a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 600,000 or Jamaican $95.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.